Hello viewer, we have taken that layer. Then again we will create a style of the layer, change the style of it, convert it into the 3D. So make it a cylindrical 3D layer. We will wait for it, it may take few seconds. So it's a cylindrical layer shape we have created. As you can see how it is looking now. We can generate it. So we can also change the color of it. So there we have the color design. We can move it anywhere. So there is the design we have generated. Thank you.